Ever wondered how technology can not only simplify our lives, but also improve the lives of our beloved pets? Today, we're at the intersection of technology and pet care, where the marvel of the Internet of Things, or IoT, is making waves. IoT is a concept where everyday objects are connected to the Internet, allowing them to send, receive, and process data to make our lives easier. It's revolutionizing numerous industries, and pet care is certainly no exception. Imagine a world where your pet's feeding bowl alerts you when it's empty, or a collar that monitors your pet's health in real time. The integration of technology and pet care is leading to enriched lives for our furry friends, providing them with a level of care and attention that was once unimaginable. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world of IoT for pets. So how exactly does IoT enhance the lives of our furry friends, you may ask? Well, it's all about blending the love we have for our pets with the convenience and intelligence of modern technology. Starting with smart feeders, these devices are a godsend for pet parents who are often away from home or have unpredictable schedules. These feeders can be programmed to dispense food at specific times, ensuring our pets never miss a meal. Some even come with portion control settings, helping to combat pet obesity, a growing concern in many parts of the world. Next, we have fitness trackers, the wearable tech that's not just for humans anymore. These handy gadgets monitor our pets' activity levels, helping us understand their exercise patterns and overall health better. Some even detect abnormal patterns in behavior or movement, potentially alerting us to health issues before they become serious problems. And what about GPS trackers? These are a pet owner's best friend when it comes to the safety of our adventurous companions. These devices attach to your pet's collar and provide real-time tracking information, so you always know where your furry friend is, whether they're exploring the backyard or have managed to escape the confines